Okay, so first off, I want to say hello and thanks for taking the time to watch this video, Elizabeth. Again, my name is Jeff and my company is Belanger Solutions. And the point of the video was to show you how you could increase the value of the company and get a little bit more exposure through Google and what you guys are offering. So I wanted to cover a couple of key factors. Three key factors needed for a good exposure with a website and a business would be content, backlinks, and citations. Now, first, understand everything that you type into Google, into the Google search bar, is considered keywords, and Google uses these keywords to look for websites that best fit that search criteria, search engine optimization, or SEO. Google crawls millions and millions of websites daily looking for content relevant to the keywords that are being typed in, and then categorizes those websites based on that. That's how you establish rank. But typically, you want 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on your site, depending on the competition and the number of keywords that are needed. So, because you guys do pools, spas, and home improvement, I started with pool contractor Fayetteville, just to give you an idea of where you guys stand and how you guys look um, outside in the community and people who are looking online. Now we have advertisements here, of course. Then we have the map area or the map pack. Your Google business profile, your area of coverage reflects this, and citations attached to that directly reflect that. Citations are anything with name, address, and phone number. Looks like you're right here, number 2 in the map, so that is great. Underneath the map is where the organic rank structure takes place. So if you've ever wondered how businesses or companies get onto the first page of Google and how this works, I can show you a little bit about how this works. Now you are right here in number 6 on the first page, and honestly, nobody really goes past the first page of Google. There's a lot of activity that happens there. That's why it's important to be seen in the maps as much as you can. It generates a lot of local traffic and creates leads and becomes sales, which is great for you guys being right there. So you guys are number 6, and we have a competitor here, right here at number 1, Parnell Pool. So when I take a look at your website, I can plug it into this tool that I have, Ahrefs. And Ahrefs gives me a behind the scenes of what's going on with the website and why and how it's ranking. Now, I did say that content and backlinks play a role in your rank structure and how Google sees you. Backlinks are where one website links to another. It's like an endorsement of your website from another website, and Google uses that to build trust in your company. It creates popularity. From that, you have 38 referring domains or other websites directly connected to you. And then when it comes to content and keywords, what's being searched in Google, it looks like you have 400 keywords within the site, generating about 537 views per month. So to give you an example of how this would work and the search volume, the volume per month that keywords are searched and what's within your content and how Google finds you to rank you and to put you into the page and get the exposure that you're looking for. So, for example, pools, Fayetteville, North Carolina, 500 times a month. Let's see what else we got. Room addition contractors, 900 times a month. What else do we have? Bathroom remodel, Fayetteville, 150 times a month. Vinyl siding contractors, 250 times a month. Sunrooms, 50 times. Vinyl siding, in-ground pool builders near me, 500 times a month. So collectively, once this adds up, that creates a lot of exposure to your site for what people are looking for and the services that they're needing. Your competitor, Best Parnell Pool and Spa, in the number 1 spot. This is their website. And to give you a little insight as to why they're at number 1, they might not have as many backlinks or referring domains, more referring domains, but that's okay. What is important is they have 2,000 keywords generating 1.3 thousand views per month. So this would be why they're in the number 1 section or the number 1 spot of the first page of Google. Now I know that it would seem as though you are specializing more in pools, but you also have home improvements. So another thing that I wanted to look at, so before I get ahead of myself, all the keywords that are in here for pools, you can have those as well. Let's take a peek and see what's really driving. What do we have here? How to clean pools, 500. Clean sand filter, 450. How to clean sand filter, 300. Pools Fayetteville, obviously Parnell Pools, Pool and Spa near me, almost 6,000 times a month. When we got rectangular hot tubs, 1,000 times a month. Hot tub speakers, 500 times a month. So they have a lot. They have 2,000 keywords that are playing a role in how they're being seen. Now, as I was saying before, because you also do offer home improvements, I wanted to just kind of jump over and see what general contractors might have in the Google search to see where you might fall for that. And of course, I didn't see you here, but I'm sure that's probably because you're geared more towards pools. So, for example, Southeastern General Contractors being here #1 in the map pack. And then, of course, underneath, these are advertisements: BB, Angie, Yelp, House, Home Advisor, Thumbtack. And then here we come with Southeastern Homes right here, #7. So to take a peek into their website, come on. Oh, now's not the time to have slow internet. I apologize. This would be their website. And again, I plug them into the same tool. So for example, they have 386 backlinks, 48 referring domains, 75 keywords, driving 68 views a month in traffic. Now keep in mind all the backlinks that they have, you guys can have as well. Again, the keywords that they're using, you can have those as well, and then some. They have 75 keywords driving the general contracting aspect of their website. You could have 150 and then outrank them and generate more traffic. So if you were looking to diversify a little bit, even though you're targeting pools and spas up first, which puts you on the first page for that particular search in the home improvement section, if you were to tweak a little bit in the content and add some keywords, you could also start to rank on the first page for home contracting and dominate a little bit there as well. Once these things come together, you have a better understanding of why companies are on the first page of Google and what it takes to get there. So your keywords and your content are great on the pool side. If you wanted to focus a little heavier on the home improvement and the general contracting, you could do a little tweak in there, and that would also rank you on that particular search as well. With that being said, hopefully you have a better understanding, a little bit more of what it takes to be on the first page of Google, or how that works, or what's behind it. Again, if there was any questions or concerns and you wanted to reach out, I'd be more than happy to speak with you. Again, thank you for your time and have a great day.